In this video, I'm gonna show you how to back Twitter account to English language. So friends, accidentally your Twitter account's language is changed and you want to back your account to English language. You want to use Twitter display language as English. So click on these three dots. Now click on this gear icon. So it's a sign for settings. So click on it. Now in here click on this first option. You will see two section in a right panel. So click on this first option of this second section. Now click on this drop down. Now select your desired language. Like you want to change this Twitter account to English, so select here from English, then click here, and that's it. As now we can know, so as we can see, now Twitter is in English language. Thanks for watching. By this quick method we can know how to change language on Twitter and how to back Twitter account to English language. Thanks for watching.